terms of robotics. The first key term of the robotics is called uptime. So this is the time which is calculated by the robot acting or able to operate. The uptime we can use for delaying the program in operations, or at the time of sensing it we can using the uptime to calculate or measuring it. Based upon the measurement we can using some actuator to do the some operations. So the uptime is very important and key essential features we are using in our robotics. The second key term we are going to learn about degrees of freedom. What is degrees of freedom? The movement of robotics is very important. Maybe in the clockwise, maybe in the anti-clockwise, maybe up, maybe in the down. It's up to you. Based upon the applications, the freedom is very important. Suppose if we take some examples of the degree of the freedom is 360 degree rotation in the clockwise or anti-clockwise, or move or up down, or move forward or move backward. So these are all the key terms we are used in the freedom of movement. The next key term of robot is actuators. What is actuators? This is based upon what is the action. Maybe the human will do some action based upon the mind. What is the sense? The action will followed by some controllers. The actuators may be any motors, any lines, or any movement, or any sensing. Anything we call it as the actuators. But the actuators based upon the signal from the controllers. The controllers will send some signals to actuators to do something. So this key term is very important for actuators. The fourth key term, we call it as batteries. Without battery we can't energy. The battery is very important. The battery is charged or wired or without wire. The technology is different in nowadays. Battery is mean by the capacitors and what is the capacity of the energy. And here the battery we can use in our robots. It's chargeable or unchargeable, or it's wired and it is comfortable. Maybe the robot will move around, so we can't use the wired one. So we concentrate on the wireless. So the battery is very important term of in robotics. The fifth one, the key term we call it as the sensors. Sensors, sensing it, sensing. Sensors have more different types. Maybe the temperature sensor, maybe the pressure sensors, moisture sensors, and smoke sensors. So many sensors are available. Based on the applications, we can use the sensors for our applications to use it. Sensors having sometimes 3 pins, 2 pins, and sensors having the batteries also. Without the energy, sensors are not working. As we are the developers in robotics, we can develop our own sensors for our own applications. Sensors, the main key features of it is sense it and given the value to the controllers. Based upon the sensing value, the controller will send the signal to the actuators. So we connected these three terms: actuators, sensors, controllers, and movements. The next very important key terms is program of robotics. What is the program? The common instructions the machine will understand in the binary languages. We can write something. Based upon the program, the control will work. The program may be in the high-end level now, but once upon a time we are used the assembly language code. The assembly language code is converted into binary language, so then the controller will understand what is the language is. Now there are more advanced language available for our programming. There are embedded C and Arduino board and Raspberry Pi. So these are all the microcontrollers from that company. They are providing that IDE for developing environment using our program. Programming is very important key features in our robotics.